on what Omar Abdullah has tweeted, or lado sab aapas mein. That's what very cryptic response coming in from National Conference Chief and also, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister.
No, I just have one thing to say. The onus of making AAP win cannot lie with the Congress. The Congress is going to look at fertile political bastions and will try and wrest them over. I mean, Delhi is a place where we've been in governance for 15 years. It is not हमारे सर पर थोड़ी ठीकरा आप फोड़ सकते हैं और हमारी जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी आपको जिताना. हमारी जिम्मेदारी खुद से अच्छे से चुनाव लड़ना, एक spirited campaign करना. Wherever you need to be called out, you will be called out. So I think this whole attempt of the Aam Aadmi Party, or anybody for that matter, political analysts at large, to say that, or even our allies to say aapas mein lado. I think all of us assess our political bastions. We fight the campaigns that we need to fight. I mean, by that logic, Mr. Kejriwal went to Goa, he went to Gujarat, he went to Haryana, he went to Maharashtra, he went to Uttarakhand, and in Uttarakhand and Goa, actually the vote share difference between us and the BJP was exactly the number of votes that the Aam Aadmi Party got. I mean, these are not arguments that I will respond to, but it is not the responsibility of the Congress to fight elections so that somebody else wins. The Congress is going to fight elections to ensure we win or we rest our political bastions, and I think that's what we're doing. We can't be blamed for it, can we?
No, I tend to agree with you on that, because, every political party has to look at its own interest. But what is the future of India bloc then?
Look, the India bloc as a whole has come together to stop the BJP as far as elections 2024 were concerned. Even though the SP decided to support AAP in Delhi, SP and B together fought a by-election in Milkipur. I don't think the India bloc is in question here. I think political parties are not NGOs, and nor are we. Political parties assess the political situation on the ground. We have to respect the cadres of a certain state, a certain entity. Delhi wanted to go all alone, and we did, and I think we did the right thing. The reality is that Aam Aadmi Party's lies and its filibustering had to be called out, and I think we would have failed in our duty if we had not called out a party which was in governance for 11 years. The problems of Delhi don't cease to exist just because of the India bloc. I think the future of the India bloc is in stopping the BJP. It was a very successful and is a very successful proposal, a very successful experiment. 400 पार का नारा था, 240 पर इंडिया ब्लॉक ने रोका बीजेपी को. So I don't think the future of the India bloc is in question. You look at how we stand together in parliament, and that bears testimony to the fact that there's a larger rationale, the larger motive of why we are together. And then, of course, state elections will be fought, assessing each other's...
So let's put both...